Ever wondered how plunging into an icy bath could be beneficial for your health? Welcome to the intriguing world of cold plunging. This isn't a new fad, but a practice that harks back to ancient civilizations, yet is experiencing a renaissance in our modern age. Picture this: a leap into a frigid pool. The icy shock triggered a cascade of psychological responses. Intriguing, isn't it? Cold plunging, or the act of immersing oneself in cold water, has been gaining traction among health enthusiasts, athletes, and even celebrities. But why, you may ask? Well, it's said to have a myriad of potential benefits, from enhancing mental clarity to boosting the immune system and even improving sleep quality. But that's just the tip of the iceberg, so to speak. So let's delve into the science behind this frosty phenomenon. As we unravel the mystery of cold plunging, prepare yourself for an invigorating journey into the heart of this chilling yet fascinating practice. Cold plunging is not just about enduring the chill. It's about triggering a series of biological responses. When you first step into a cold plunge pool, your body immediately recognizes the sudden drop in temperature. It's like your body alarms go off, alerting every cell that it's time to act. This is the initial shock response, a natural protective mechanism that kicks in when we're thrown into a stressful situation, like being plunged into ice-cold water. The first noticeable response is a sudden gasp as your breathing rate increases. It's your body's way of trying to keep warm, taking in more oxygen to fuel the metabolic processes that generate heat. This is why you might find yourself panting or even shivering uncontrollably. Simultaneously, your heart rate shoots up. This acceleration is your body's attempt to pump more blood faster to the vital organs, ensuring they have enough oxygen and nutrients to function. It's like your body is racing to keep up with the demands of the cold. Now, this might all sound a bit alarming, but it's during this rush of activity that something remarkable happens. Your body starts releasing adrenaline, a hormone that prepares your body for a fight or flight response. It heightens your awareness, sharpens your senses, and gives you that burst of energy you need to handle the stressor. In this case, the cold water. But that's not all. Alongside adrenaline, your body also releases endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. These feel-good hormones are what give you that euphoric feeling after a cold plunge, a sensation often described as the afterglow effect. So next time you're bracing yourself for a cold plunge, remember, it's more than just a test of willpower. Every shiver, every gasp is part of a complex symphony of biological responses, all designed to help your body cope with the cold. These immediate reactions are just the beginning of the cold plunge journey. Once you step out of the icy water, your body is still hard at work. In this post-plunge phase, your body, having just taken a bracingly cold dip, is now in recovery mode. It's a bit like a furnace that's just been stoked. It starts to generate heat to counter the cold it's just been exposed to. This process is known as thermogenesis, a fancy term for heat production. And guess what? This heat production leads to an increased metabolic rate. That's right, your body is now burning calories at a faster pace, which could contribute to weight loss over time. But that's not all. As your body warms up, your blood vessels start to dilate. This is your body's clever way of speeding up the warming process. It's like opening up a highway for your blood to flow faster and reach your extremities more quickly. This process, known as vasodilation, enhances circulation throughout your body. Now, with your blood zipping around your body like sports cars on an open road, there's another benefit to consider: oxygenation. As your circulation improves, so does the oxygenation of your body. Your blood carries oxygen to every cell, every organ, every part of your body that needs it. And with enhanced circulation, this oxygen delivery system becomes more efficient. Your cells are getting a fresh supply of oxygen more quickly, helping them function better and keeping you feeling more energized. And let's not forget the mental effects. Many people report feeling invigorated, refreshed, and mentally alert after a cold plunge. It's like hitting a reset button for your brain, clearing out the cobwebs and leaving you with a sense of clarity and focus. In this post-plunge phase, your body is hard at work, reaping the benefits of your cold plunge. From an increased metabolic rate to enhanced circulation and oxygenation, the effects are both immediate and profound. But the benefits of cold plunging extend beyond the immediate aftermath. Cold plunging, when done regularly, can have a profound impact on your health. It's not just about the immediate rush of adrenaline or the refreshing jolt to your system. The long-term benefits of this practice are what truly make it a game-changer in the world of wellness. Firstly, let's talk about your immune system. You know, that complex network of cells and proteins that defends your body against infection? Well, studies have shown that regular cold plunges can enhance the immune response. The cold temperatures stimulate the production of white blood cells, effectively boosting your body's natural defense mechanism. This could potentially reduce the frequency of colds and other common illnesses. Next up, let's discuss mental health. Cold plunging is known to increase the production of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in the brain. This can result in improved mood and reduced stress levels. Furthermore, the practice of exposing oneself to extreme cold conditions can serve as a form of mental training, enhancing resilience and mental fortitude. It's like a gym workout for your brain. Thirdly, it's worth noting that cold plunging can increase pain tolerance. The practice teaches the body to adapt to uncomfortable situations, which can translate to improved pain management in other aspects of life. Lastly, there's the potential benefit of weight loss. When plunged into cold water, your body has to work harder to maintain its core temperature. This process, known as thermogenesis, leads to an increase in metabolism, which could potentially aid in weight loss. Now, before you run off to fill your bathtub with ice, remember that these benefits are most likely to be seen with regular, consistent practice. Cold plunging is not a quick fix, but rather a lifestyle choice that requires dedication and discipline. Intriguingly, these benefits are not just anecdotal, they are supported by science. So if you're looking for a holistic approach to health and wellness, cold plunging might just be the ice-cold solution you're searching for. Researchers have been studying the effects of cold exposure for years, and the results are promising. Indeed, numerous studies have lent credibility to the health benefits of cold plunging. Let's delve into some of these key studies. In the frosty realms of Finland, a team of researchers led a study involving over 2,000 participants. The subjects who took frequent cold showers had a 60% decrease in sickness absence from work. The study attributed this to an improved immune response triggered by the cold temperatures. Another study conducted in the Netherlands by Dr. Wim Hof, also known as the Iceman, found that cold exposure can significantly affect the autonomic nervous system. This system regulates body functions like heart rate, digestion, and yes, even mood. Participants in this study reported feeling more energetic and happier after cold plunging, showing that a quick dip in icy water might just be the mood booster you need. Now, let's talk about metabolism. Ever felt that shiver down your spine when you step into a cold shower? That's your body trying to generate heat to maintain its core temperature, a process that burns calories. A study conducted at the University of Maastricht found that regular exposure to mild cold can increase the metabolic rate by up to 30%. This means that cold plunging could potentially aid weight loss, but the science doesn't stop there. Research also suggests that cold plunging can aid muscle recovery, promote better sleep, and even increase mental sharpness. It's like a superpower hiding in plain sight, waiting to be unlocked. In conclusion, the science supporting cold plunging is robust and compelling. It offers a range of benefits that extend from boosting your immune system to lifting your mood to revving up your metabolism. So if you're up for a challenge, cold plunging might be worth a try. The thought of immersing oneself in icy water might be daunting, but the potential benefits are enticing. We've ventured through the icy waters of cold plunging, examining its impact on our bodies, both immediate and long-term. We've shivered through science, understanding how our bodies respond to the sudden cold, triggering a rush of adrenaline and endorphins that can enhance mood and energy levels. We've also explored the post-plunge effects, noting the sensation of invigoration, improved circulation, and even boosted immune response. We delved into the long-term benefits, discussing how consistent cold plunging can lead to better stress management, increased mental clarity, and even enhanced metabolic function. The supporting science has shed light on why these effects occur, giving us a better understanding of this age-old practice. Remember, every cold plunge is a step towards better health. So, are you ready to take the plunge?